Hello children, and again welcome to our maths lecture. We are studying lesson number 12, perimeter and area. Now two more we have completed practice set 46, right? Now after that we have to learn two formulas, one of a cuboid and the another of a cube. Now what is the formula? Formula is to find how to find using formula the surface area of a cuboid and a cube. Children, this is the cuboid. Now when you see this cuboid, you will find height, breadth and length. This is the length, this will be your height and this will be your breadth. So since it is a rectangular, it has length, breadth and height also. The formula is square surface area of a cuboid is equal to twice bracket L into B, first L into B plus B into H, that is base into height, that is base into height or breadth into height, plus height into length, plus height into length, and this all sum is multiplied by 2 because two opposite surfaces are of equal area, and so it is multiplied by 2. So this is the formula to calculate surface area of a cuboid. Then surface area of a cube, you know cube, all the length of all the sides are equal and it is a square. Now you know the formula to calculate area of square. Area of square is side square. Suppose L is the length of the side, so L square will be the side area of one side of this square. Now since it has 6 faces, the formula becomes surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. Since 6 faces are there in a cube and all are square, the formula becomes 6L square. L square is area of one surface or one face, and 6 faces are there, so multiplied by 6. Very simple formulas. Both the formulas you have to by heart, and we will begin with practice set 47. Practice set 47. Okay, I'll read the question for you. See in the book. Find the total surface area of cubes having the following side. Now they have given us cube, right? So I will solve sum number 1 and sum number 5. 2, 3 and 4 will be homework. Okay, so let us begin. You have to find the total surface area of cube. So first sum, 3 centimeter. First of all, I will write length of side of cube. That is L equals 3 centimeter. Therefore, total surface area of a cube. Formula is 6L square, which gives us answer 6. L is 3, so 3 the whole square. This gives me answer 6 multiplied by 3 square is 9. 6 9s are 54 square centimeter. So therefore area total surface area of cube is 54 square centimeter. Okay. Now sum number 5. Directly 5. 2, 3, 4 will be homework. You have to do in the same manner. Fifth sum, question is 5.5 meter. So in the same manner, length of side of cube. L equals 5.5 centimeter. Therefore, total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square, which equals 5.5 square. This gives me 6 multiplied by, now 5.5 gives me square as 30.25, and further when I multiply I get answer 181.5 square centimeter only, it is, no, meter it is meter, not centimeter. Okay, so when you multiply 6 5s are 35, 5 carry 3, 6 2s are 12 and 3 15, 0 and 1, 6 3s are 18, correct. So 181.5 square meter is the total surface area of this cube. So therefore, total surface area of cube is 181.5 square meter. Okay children, so this is your fifth sum. So sum number 2, 3 and 4 will be homework, same manner you have to do, very simple sums. Okay, now second question we will do. See the second question. Find the total surface area of cuboids of length, breadth and height as given below. Means you have to find total surface area of cuboids. Here 4 sums are there. Here also I will do first and fourth. You will be doing second and third. So first sum. "12 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Children, in the question they have given first length and then breadth and then height. That means first number is length, second number is breadth and third number is height. So let us write down. Length of cuboid L equals 12 centimeter, its breadth B equals 10 centimeter, its height H equals 5 centimeter. Therefore, total surface area of cuboid is equal to twice L into B plus B into H plus H into L bracket. Now since it is a bigger one, I will write from here. Twice L into B. L is 12, B is 10. So that is 12 multiplied by 10 plus B into H, 10 multiplied by 5, that is 10 into 5, plus H into L, 5 into 12, 5 multiplied by 12. Okay, this gives me answer 2 bracket. This gives me answer 120 plus 50 plus 60, bracket close. This gives me answer 2 multiplied by 120 plus 50 is 170, 170 plus 60 is 230, 230, and this gives me answer 460 square centimeter, right? So the given length, total surface area is therefore total surface area of cuboid is 460 square centimeter. Got the answer, children? Very simple answer it is. Just you have to substitute the values correctly, calculate, and then find the answer. So this is the first sum. Take down. I think you have written the answer. Now I will be solving the fourth sum. Now the fourth sum of the same I will be solving, where the length is 8 centimeter. The 8 centimeter measurements given are meter. 8 meter, 5 meter and 3.5 meter. Okay. So as per the given question, we will solve length of cuboid L is equal to 8 meter, breadth is 5 meter and height is 3.5 meter. You will write the formula and then do the substitution. That is 2 bracket L is 8, 8 multiplied by 5 plus 5 multiplied by 3.5 plus 3.5 multiplied by 8. This gives me 2 multiplied by 8 5s are 40 plus, this gives me answer 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 15 and 2 17, 17.5, and this gives me answer 8 5s are 40, 0.2, 8 3s are 24 and 2 28. You get answer as 28, and this total gives me 2 multiplied by 40 plus 28 is 68, 68 plus 17.5 gives you 85.5, and this gives me answer 171 exactly 171 square meter. So therefore total surface area of cuboid is 171 square meter. So this is your fifth sum. Means if decimal point comes, you have to multiply accordingly and give the decimal point to your answer. So after this, I will write down the homework on the board and then we will conclude the lecture. I will write the homework here. Homework is practice solve sums of practice set 47. Question number 1, in which second, third and fourth. Question number 2, second and third. So total 5 sums I have given as homework. You have to do it. You will get the answer. They are simple sums. Practice them. Have fun. Thank you.